Alright everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you my screwdriver collection. I just found a few of them recently. There's like at least a few I use, but there are some others I don't use very much. I'll start off with that one here. This I don't really use very much because you can tell it's really long. Same thing with that one, and here the little ones. I think I pretty much use either one of those. This I had a long time ago already, like at least half a decade ago. Yeah, I pretty much use either one of those or this one. Like, I pretty much use that for like when I use the mounting hardware for my baseball ceiling fan. This is the screwdriver I use really often. I use that one a lot for like when I take down the ceiling fan, like right here. And I pretty much use that one probably whenever I couldn't seem to find this one, but if that one's there, I use that one. But yeah, actually no, I actually don't use that one very much. This one here I found in the garage. Yeah, you can see the color on that too. Yeah, I actually don't use that one very much because there isn't really anything much in the house that could have really big screws with that right there. It's somehow a little damaged, I think, but that was probably a long time ago. But yeah, there's that one. This right here, this one's actually different than the other. This I actually got for Christmas a couple years ago at least. Yeah, it's Doctor Who. Select screw. Something that Mom got me. Yeah. Show you the operation on that. That's pretty cool. This one does that. Pretty cool. Oh, here we go. I think there are only 2 seconds from this, but that's alright. So anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much all I can show you.